Hey guys, it's Jason from Advanblack. Today I'm going to show you how to install the triple tree cover on a 25 Road Glide. Tools you're going to need for that, it's going to be very basic. You'll need a plastic panel puller, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat tip screwdriver, and a 3/8 wrench. First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this little plastic thing around the steering wheel lock, or the handlebar lock. Takes a minute to get underneath it. The tab is in the back, so if you pull from the bottom, just got to find that spot. And there it goes. Pops right off. You can see the tag is in the back. And you got two Phillips screwdrivers here. You got one in the back. We're going to go ahead and start with those. Again, you're going to save the hardware because you're going to reuse it when reinstalling the new carbon fiber part. Your third Phillips screw is going to be at the top of the triple tree. Your 3/8 wrench is going to come over to the side here on both sides. You're going to break loose. Wrong way. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. All right, for this next part, you're going to want to use your panel puller again. There's a clip in the front and there's a clip on the inner part right here. You want to just get in there and pry it open. And you're going to reuse those clips. Yeah, just find your way in there. When you take off the triple tree cover, one of the sides is going to have these white clips. This is where the flat tip screwdriver comes in. You're going to come in here and pry it off, and then you're going to replace it to the new carbon fiber piece. And simple as just sliding them right back on. All right, so on the original hardware for Harley Davidson, it comes a little black screw comes out of the front of the triple tree. When you get your carbon fiber, it's going to have its own hardware, and that's going to be a 3mm hex that's going to go into the front. All right, don't forget your Loctite. Just a drop will do. Nothing more than that right there. We're just going to hand tighten these on the side until we can get everything lined up. Don't forget your Loctite on the other side either. Just going to hand tighten it. So before we torque anything down, we're going to make sure all the bolts are nice in there, hand tightened on everything. We're going to go ahead and do the front bolt here. And again, that is a 3mm hex. I'm just going to get it nice and hand tightened. On the front, you're going to reuse the hardware. It's going to be the Phillips screws. We're just going to get them nice and loose in there. Carbon fiber, so make sure you're not wrenching down hard on this. The side bolts are going to be torqued to 14 to 20 foot-pounds, as well as the front. Get in here on the side with that 3/8. Do the same for the other side. And for the final touch, you're going to make sure you put back on that triple tree lock cover. Push it in, and good to go. All right, guys, we just finished our triple tree cover on this 25 Road Glide. It really sets this look off. I'm telling you, it makes a big difference on this bike. Check it out. You can also tell by checking it out. We have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.